North Las Vegas Tower, Cessna 1079er Mike is at 7 and Golf, ready to go.
Cessna 1079er Mike, North Las Vegas Tower, wind 330 at 9er, runway 7, cleared for takeoff, left turn approved.
Runway 7, cleared for takeoff, left turn approved. 79er Mike. Ambiguous load front, that's it.
Cessna 79er Mike, contact Nellis departure.
Contact Nellis 79er Mike, thanks. Nellis departure, Cessna 79er Mike is with you, climbing through 2,700 up for 5,500.
Cessna 1079er Mike, Nellis departure, good afternoon, ident. Cessna 79er Mike, radar contact a mile north, North Las Vegas Airport. Cortez Class Bravo airspace, be heading 020.
Cleared into Bravo, heading 020.
Mercy 11 Nellis approach, good morning, ident. Mercy 11, radar contact, to Nellis altimeter 3020, understand you're inbound to Valley Hospital. Mooney 94 uniform, traffic 1 o'clock, 5 miles north eastbound. We'll turn obstruction, Skylane 3100 climbing.
Looking for the traffic, 94 uniform.
Mooney 94 uniform, at what point do you plan on descending?
We're going to start heading down right now, 94 uniform.
Mooney 94 uniform, continue on this heading until you enter Class Delta airspace, pattern altitude 3,500.
Roger, 94 uniform.
Mooney 94 uniform, contact North Las Vegas Tower 125.7.
Roger, thanks for your help, 94 uniform.
You're welcome, take care. Cessna 79er Mike, cleared into Class B airspace, be heading 090, maintain VFR at or below 5,500.
Heading of 090, maintaining VFR at or below 5,500. 79er Mike.
Cessna 79er Mike, traffic 3 o'clock, 2 miles, turning westbound, Mooney 5,700, he has some engine problems.
Looking for traffic, Cessna 79er Mike. Bem-vindos. Tá certo, igual com bem rápido, mas bem-vindos.
Yeah.
Nellis, what was the altitude for that Mooney? That's 79er Mike.
Cessna 79er Mike, he's 5,500 descending immediately to your right.
Checking for traffic, Cessna 79er Mike.
Confirmation Whiskey 1709 Zulu, wind 350 at 9er, temperature 15, dew point 1,
Vegas departure, Cessna 1079 Mike is at 5,600 at Hoover Dam. Requesting clearance into Bravo via Cortez 1.
Is that 1069 Mike? I think it's 1069 Mike. Is that your call sign?
Oh, it's 1079 Mike, sir.
And Cessna 1079 Mike, squawk 4214, the Las Vegas altimeter 3019.
4214 squawking.
Tower Gulfstream, approach Gulfstream 83 Lima Sierra, it's heading 360, field the same.
Gulfstream 83 Lima Sierra, Las Vegas approach, welcome back, have approach clearance here shortly.
Again for 3 Lima Sierra?
3 Lima Sierra, I have approach clearance shortly.
3 Lima Sierra.
694 with the 10,200 descending on the ramp 1.
Yeah, 694 Las Vegas approach, roger. Number 79er Mike, radar contact, go through the Hoover Dam. You're clear through Bravo Airspace. You're heading 360 for now. Just maintain it below 5,500. I have the Cortez here for you shortly.
Remaining below 5,500, heading of 360 for now. 79er Mike.
And Cessna 79er Mike, say again, your type Cessna?
Rear Cessna 172, sir.
Roger. Yeah, that's 694, descend to maintain 7,000, McCarren Airport, 11 o'clock and 20 miles.
Inside 7,000, United 694.
Yeah, 694, fly the remaining portion of the Grandpa 1 arrival ground track, drop direct Lemons, clear visual approach, runway 19 right.
Fly the ground track Lemons and clear visual 19 right, United 694.
United 694 is maintained at or above 3,500 to establish on a 3-mile final for helicopter traffic.
At above 3,500, just establish 5-mile final, United 694.
779er Mike, clear direct to Lobby Butte for the Cortez Arrival, clear through Bravo Airspace via the Cortez.
Cleared into Bravo via Cortez 1, says 79 Mike, thanks. I'm 95 on 15 and I'm getting for the 95. Maybe need.
One up for the computer.
This is 79er Mike, wind calm, runway 30 left, cleared to land.
30 left, clear to land, 79er Mike, thank you.
Aircraft calling North Las Vegas Tower, say again, radio's hard to read. Wind 050 at 4. Cessna 79er Mike, turn left at hotel, taxi into the ramp, monitor ground point 7. Have a good Thanksgiving.